it's Amber Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do another unboxing of a men's THREDUP rescue box. Before we get started, I just want to say Happy New Year. I can't believe that it's 2020 already, and also I want to thank everyone for following me last year and subscribing to my channel. This year is going to be bigger and better, and I just want to make sure that you're following me on my Instagram account as well. I will be doing giveaways and more videos this year, so make sure to follow me on that, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with this THREDUP men's rescue box. And if you've been following me for a while, you know the men's boxes are my favorite, and if you're new here, welcome. I do love getting these rescue boxes. I have the best luck with these rescue boxes, and I enjoy watching them as well. So let me know if you've tried THREDUP before. So this is their 10-pound box. So this is what it looks like when you open it. The 10-pound box is $40, and when I purchased this, it did have a free promo code for free shipping, so I didn't have to pay the $5.99 for shipping, so I got this for $40. So let's get started. First thing right away, not sure if you guys can see this box yet, but the first thing right on top is a pair of shoes. I love getting shoes in these boxes. I love selling shoes. They're super easy. So these, so this is a Cole Haan shoe. And this does have a good bit of wear to it. But honestly, I mean, Cole Haan is a good brand. I can just clean these up real quick, no problem. And let me see what size they are. So these are a 10M. And they're just blue. Are these Oxfords? I believe these are Oxfords. But interesting, so I just saw, so these are, the brand is Cole Haan, and then the bottom of the shoe says Nike Air. So I assume that it has Nike Air where the yellow parts are, so that's really interesting. I'll have to look up more information about the shoe because I do not know. But the first item being a shoe, starting off pretty good. The next item I see is, it's new in the little, it's brand new, so it hasn't even been opened. This is George long sleeve dress shirt, classic fit, size large, and it looks like it might come with maybe a tie or something. But that's cool, so it's brand new, George dress shirt, super easy to flip. And I believe that this is a tie. I'm gonna go ahead and open this and see what this is. Yep. So it's just a nice white dress shirt with shut up. Y'all, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. 2020 is already blessings, let me tell you. So this tie does not go with this dress shirt. This tie is a Gucci tie. I cannot even, look at that, y'all. Gucci. So I'm not sure if THREDUP even opened this to look at the tie. Either way, I am loving it. So this is a Gucci tie. Wow. I love this. This might not be something that I resell. I might keep this for Corey. I am a fan of Gucci. I have a Gucci bag. Love Gucci. So, wow. Okay, so I was obviously impressed with the first item, the second item being this brand new white George dress shirt. Lo and behold, I'm glad I opened up on camera, is the Gucci tie. I just cannot believe this. Okay, so the first few items, and here's another little logo on it. So the first few items, already great. This would probably pay for this box by itself. Previous boxes I've had ties, and One of them I just sold for $25, so never be afraid of selling ties. They're easy to list, easy to photograph, and easy to ship. The next item we have here, oh, okay, it looks like everything is folded into one here. So let me just start. So the next item is a polo, and this is a Ben Hogan Performance size small. So I assume this is like a golf polo. It's cute blue, different colored stripes of blue, and then the back is solid. Great with spring and summer coming up for golfers. The next item we have, pair of pants, and these are Banana Republic tapered fit, size 34-32. The color I can't really tell. I don't know if it's, could be navy. Yeah, I'm gonna go with navy blue. And they appear to be in good shape. So this is already a really good box so far. Telling y'all, take chances on the men's boxes. Or don't, and I will continue to purchase them. The next item is another Banana Republic piece, and this is a slim fit medium button down. I love these colors. Oh, and it looks like someone had it dry cleaned, so that's always nice. It's a plus. So just a fun little button down, a medium Banana Republic. The next item we have is another pair of pants. I love this box, how it has a mixture of everything. I've gotten boxes before where it's just clothing. Still, it's good pieces, but I love mixture. So these are Nike Golf Tour Performance Dry Fit 34-34 in a color gray. And I don't know if you can see, it actually has a little design to it. Little kind of checkered, it's not really a plaid, but just a nice, fun little subtle design to them. It's a really good material as well. The next item looks like a jacket. Yes. So this is Nick and Zoe in an extra small. It's like a gray, marbled, kind of heather jacket. And this one, so it buttons. It only buttons at the top and then the bottom, but then it zippers the rest of the way through. But it's a heavy, really heavy jacket. So it's just a good thick jacket. Good to have. Had to pause briefly. Dolce came into the room, so I guess he wanted to be on the camera. The next item, oh wow. So it's, okay. So I like how they packaged this box. They layered it just inside each other. So, next item, wow, a lot going on here. Next item is J. Crew Linen Slim Extra Small White Button Down. This will be, oh, this one was dry cleaned as well. But this will be perfect for the summer coming up. Everyone loves to wear this type of shirt in the summer, beach photos, that sort of thing. So, really good. These are some good brands in this box. Wow, just keeps going. So, the next one is Calvin Klein Extra Fine Merino size medium. It says 100% merino wool. And it's just a good sweater. You can wear as is. You can layer it. It appears to be in really good condition. This whole box appears to be in really good condition. The next item looks like a pair of pants. So let's find the brand. Okay, so I see this logo. I'll show you guys. So I see this logo, but it doesn't have a tag really on the inside. It has the size, it's a size medium, but it doesn't have anything with the brand. So if you guys recognize this logo, let me know. You guys have helped me in the past with different things, so I really appreciate it. So if you know this logo, let me know. But these are a size medium gray. They have pockets, and it's just a nice pair of lounge pants. And then at the bottom, they do zip. But they are super, super soft. Here's this, I think, is the last item. Yeah. So the last item in this box. Oh my. Let's just say I'm glad I didn't open this first. And that the Gucci tie will make up for this. But Thunder Buddies for life. Wow. And it has this little hood. So I'm assuming this is, yeah. So Ted 2, from the movie Ted 2, it is a onesie. And it has a little tail on the end. So I don't know if someone was this for Halloween, then they sent it in. It is a size extra large, super soft. I don't know. This might be something I just donate unless it has good comps. Thunder Buddies for life. And that's all. I mean, I liked the movie. I liked the first one. I don't really remember the second one, but yeah. So this is interesting. This is the first time I've had a onesie like this in my box, but since it's a specific theme and like a movie, I have a feeling it will sell. So I am a little optimistic about it, but it's not typically what I find in my THREDUP boxes, but it makes for a good one for the first THREDUP unboxing for 2020. I'm going to count how many items I have real quick. Okay, so I just did a count and we totaled 12 items for $40. I think I got a really great box. I love getting these boxes, and sometimes they're a flop. Sometimes, you know, I don't think they're going to be that good until I actually look up the comps and get into it. I've always made my money back, sometimes doubled and tripled my money. So if you're new to reselling or you haven't tried a THREDUP box, I would highly suggest it. I'll leave a promo code in the bottom below. If you guys haven't tried it, use the promo code. If you have tried it, let me know what your box has been like in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite item from this unboxing is. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.